Okay guys, what's going on? It's Family Man here. Today for your guys' viewing pleasure, I got this unknown branded 42-inch builder grade ceiling fan. It's from 2002. I forgot what the model number is. I'll put it in the description. This fan works pretty good. It's been in our house since it was brand new. It's a pretty stylish looking ceiling fan. It's all brass with rosewood blades. The other side is oak wood. I think this side looks much better, so that's why it's facing down. It's got a 3-way light kit, or just a 3-bulb turbo fitter. That works fine, as I showed. Pretty good ceiling fan, it's not bad. I'm pretty sure that the fan came from Myers. I do know that. Anyways, that's all I gotta show you guys for this video, so thank you for watching, and have a good day.